This is a quick example of how to use a Rigol digital multimeter with Matlab. I tried to find this on the web and couldn't find it, and after I figured it out, I thought it would be beneficial for someone to use this method. This is first I will show you how is it working. This is a code that connects to the multimeter and gets the values. If I want to measure the voltage, I can use 1 over here. If I want to measure the resistance, I can just use 2 over here. And you can look into the code to see how it changes. For this I will just limit the X to 500 to make it less wider. If I run it, it will start getting input from the multimeter, which is connected to a sensor which is reading the voltage between 0 and 5. If I press on the sensor, voltage goes down. If I let it go up, the voltage goes up. The code is otherwise simple MATLAB code, which is basically it will scroll after it has reached 500, and you can do anything with that. So I'm going to break it. I'll tell you how I figured it out. It was with a lot of hit and trial. I used this app Instrument Control, which is an add-on to the MATLAB, and first of all I tried using IVI drivers like it is mentioned for the it's in the IV in this help for IVI drivers, and it didn't work out for me. So I was looking in this USB and found out that through USB you can connect. I'll disconnect it now and I'll connect it now. So now if your USB is connected to multimeter, you can connect it to that, and then in the programming guide for that, you can copy a command from that programming guide and paste it over here. And if it is a question mark command, you can just query it. It will give you the value over here. But not only that, what it does is that it writes a code of whatever command you're doing. So first of all, the most important thing is that it writes a code of how you're connecting to the multimeter. And so I just copy pasted this code over here, and the rest of the things were then pretty simple to follow. And the only thing is that the values are coming as strings, so you may have to convert them to regular values. Thank you.